Move half your weight onto the front leg, and as you do, ward off with the right hand, but follow with the left. So the two palms are going to follow each other. So my forearm will turn as it follows the lower palm. So as I move my weight forward, so there's a 90-degree angle here, I'm going to move the weight to the front. But be careful that your knee doesn't go past your toes. And as I do that, the lower hand will come up to chest height. So now I was walling off here, now I'm walling off here. I'll do that again. From the other side. Michelle will now give us a demonstration and I'll correct any necessary faults. Just need to get the hands aligned so that the two palms follow each other. So your hand should already be moving to follow this one. So it comes up like this, shoulder down. No, not yet. It should still be 50-50 on the... So it must be lined up already. So here, okay, it's in 4. Okay, good.